invite you on dais Dr. Nirmala Chongtham. She is Professor of Department of Botany in Panjab University. Madam is going to deliver on the potential of the bamboo-based food and beverages and for exports and related standardization and safety issues. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So, good afternoon to all. We have heard the experts talk about construction, about plantation, and then handicrafts and jewelry. But I'm going to talk on a very less touched topic about bamboo as a food, whether it is shoots or leaves. So, overall in India, bamboo as a food and medicine is the and beverages, it is the most neglected part, whereas worldwide it is not considered as a superfood because it is loaded with nutrients, vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants. And we have a lot of traditional knowledge which has been documented in all our ancient books, but now scientific interventions have also validated the documentation. And bamboo as a superfood, it can be used as a vegetable or as a food additive and as an ingredient for pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and food industries. We talk about malnutrition, we talk about micronutrient deficiency. This is one, bamboo shoots are one which can be used even in child when there are many programs, food programs for children, this can be used. So this is just a brief. It is rich in proteins, minerals, fibers, phenols, and phytosterols, which are, and we all know about the importance of fibers and also the antioxidant properties of phenols. So antioxidants, they will neutralize the free radicals which are existing in our body, and they protect our cells. And the antioxidants which are present in shoots are vitamin C, E, and phenols. And these are the benefits to our health. It was there traditionally even in our old books in Ayurveda. So it is. It has antifungal, antimicrobial properties. We have now apparels coming up which have antimicrobial properties, and then anti-cancerous, cholesterol-lowering activities, prevention of hypertension, antibiotics. These have been proved, but most of the work has been done in other countries, and our indigenous bamboos have been less explored. We are working, and we have also got good results from our own indigenous bamboos. So bamboo is coming up in a very great way as medicine, beverages, and foods, which is very less known. So global perspective, if we just look at this, India, we have many other speakers talk about that India has is a large, second largest bamboo producing. But if we come to the export, we are at the end, at the lowest, even non-bamboo growing countries like Italy, Netherlands, they are Germany also, they are growing bamboos and they are exporting. We can just have a look at Mexico also. South America is not a bamboo shoot eating country, but now they have realized the importance in health, and now they are exporting to US, UK. And so India, despite its large bamboo resource, we are not able to reach to those countries because we have not taken this up seriously. And there are a lot of gaps and challenges. First, we are, even though we have shoots in the Northeast, we are still importing from Thailand and Bhutan. This I've seen in Shillong in departmental stores. You go to Guwahati, Shillong, Chandigarh, or Delhi, you will find only imported shoots. So what is the reason? Why are we not processing? And they come at such a high price, 150 to 170 rupees per 500 gram pack. But if you see in the, so these are the imported bamboos. So where are our domestic products? It is not there. It is quite costly, and in the markets you have a range from 30 to 60 rupees per kg, and here you said 170 and even 250 grams. So this is one area which can be looked upon. And the most important bottleneck is the processing. If you do not process it well, it will not be able to, we will not be able to utilize it. So you can either boil it, you can dry it, freeze dry, sun dry it, and so you can make powdered form, fermented. So in the powdered form can be used for food fortification. You can make a lot of food products from them which are healthy. And also you can use as a vegetable. You can keep it for 6 months even if you use the proper processing method. So this is one bottleneck which needs, and we have done quite a lot of work on this.
2 minutes left, ma'am.
Yes, so packaging also we need. These are bamboo shoots are not sold in a proper way in India, and you can, the most important part, you can use for fortified foods to make functional products. So it is for bakery products, you can use for dairy. So meat products, these are all products which are available outside India. So because they realize that it is, so these are products which we have also made in our own laboratory. Bamboo salt is one which is very popular in Korea because it has absorbed the minerals which is inside the bamboo kernels. So dietary fiber. There is bamboo water coming up from Canada. They're just added the bamboo extract with antioxidants in water. Then the bamboo tea leaf. This is also the bamboo extract. Then bamboo beer. Here is it's from Mexico. He is Mauricio, who is a World Bamboo Ambassador. Then we have bamboo wine. Then phytochemicals. Why are these important? Because there are a lot of health improving phytochemicals in bamboo leaves. So there are so many different types of edible bamboos in the north, in India. Why do we not consider it as a bamboo as a food? Because of lack of awareness, non-availability, lack of proper processing, and lack of proper packaging. So this is just the cost from 30 to 60. You can get shoots. So what is needed now for commercialization? You need to have the appropriate species. So what we talked about just that appropriate species for the state should be done. Then propagation, you need a dedicated nursery, like one of our experts just mentioned. So this is how plantation on a large scale is necessary. This is done in Thailand, then this is Korea, and look at Brazil, South America, this is how they grow. In hectares, they have 100 hectares, and they are of different years, first year, second year, third year, fifth year. So this is how, for its commercialization, you need this sort of plantation, 100 acres. Market levels, domestic and international, you can have fresh, fermented, powdered, or dried form. Powdered and dried forms they can use for food fortification. So overall, bamboo shoot can be used as a vegetable, used for making functional food, nutraceuticals, and we have many indigenous bamboos which can be used for all these. So just a repetition of that. So this is what our 20 years of research we have worked out: the nutrition, the processing, and food products. Now it is only that it is to be taken to the market, and this is, and we never, and it is very difficult to get projects in bamboo, and especially in bamboo shoot, because it is not looked as much as it is done for others. So thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for highlighting bamboo potential as a food and medicine.